How are you, my dear brothers and sisters? I think you all doing well today. Today I'm on CNH There we have sell setup. Below RSI indicators price oversold in H4 time frame. In the lower time frames like M30, there we have extreme. You can clearly see it when moving average 5 high has successfully crossed over the top BB. Also, when we looking at an 5-minute time frame, they also have downtrend line. Now I am installing musculator indicator to check divergence setup. 5-minute time frame has our divergence setup to confirm that price has to make reversal or pullback here. I want to place pending sell order here if price hit previous high.
Years later.
The market has been reacted as our setup after few hours. I have used BBMA trendline and musculator for this setup. I'm dying for trade with BBMA strategies because of its accuracy and winning rate. Anyway, the price is under the MA50 and I hope price will drop even further. I want to hold only one position here with break even. See you in our next video. Take care. Bye.